Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. My domain and Lightning experience are enabled, and you have SFDX or Developer Console access. Next, create the Lightning web component files and a matching JS meta, XML. In that meta, XML add target Lightning list view button and specify properties and record types as needed. This makes your component available in list view button configuration. Once done, push or deploy the component to your org so it appears in the Lightning App Builder and List View button options. Now implement the how in the JavaScript use at API to receive context and selected record ID passed by the List View button. Use an Apex method for server-side processing when you need bulk updates. Call it imperatively so you control invocation and error handling. Once the Apex returns, use Lightning/navigation to navigate or refresh, and dispatch a platform show toast event to surface results. Make sure you batch records responsibly and include loading states, so users understand progress during longer operations. To finish, create a List View button in Object Manager and pick your Lightning web component as the target. Add the button to the List View layout and ensure relevant profiles or apps can see it. Test with several records and verify Apex transactions and navigation behavior. If something goes wrong, first open the browser console for JS errors, then review Apex debug logs, also double-check your components. JS meta, XML targets, and API version. Make sure cores, field-level security, and sharing rules aren't blocking action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.